To make life sacred is to live understanding that this entire universe is what we call a yajna. The word yoga has become very popular, but actually there are twin words that are used in the Indian spirituality: yoga and yajna. The inner union and the sacraments of life. The essence of yajna is namah, not mine. That everything I am doing is an offering in a sacred fire. When I'm feeding a child, I'm performing a yajna. I'm putting an offering into that prana fire. When I'm eating, also I'm performing the same yajna. Without understanding the word yajna, you will not understand the applied spirituality, understanding the karmic principles. Living with the mental attitude of namah, not mine.